Wago Smart Printer. Keep your costs in line with the fastest marking system for top Job S rail mount terminal blocks. Mark your rail mount terminal blocks even with different conductor cross sections with only one marking strip. Up to 75% faster thanks to quick printing and application. Multi-line marking of the marking strip simplifies terminal block identification by labeling them according to their functions. Our WMB inline markers give you even an added extra. Rail mount terminal blocks with widths from 5 to 5.2 millimeters can all be marked continuously in one go with the WMB inline. You can separate the markers for use with wider rail mount terminal blocks. WMB inline markers can be attached at the top and at the side. Wago's cost-effective Smart Printer is the first choice for any control cabinet marking application. Use this printer to label either marking strips or markers. The printer is also well suited for marking cable and conductor markers, labels, buttons, and nameplates. Save up to 75% with the fastest marking system at purchase and in ongoing operation. Just ask us.